Freddie the Firefly a short moral story. Freddie, a young firefly, was proud of his glowing light. Every evening, he boasted to the other forest creatures, "No one shines as brightly as me." One moonless night, a storm blew in, leaving the forest in total darkness. Freddie flew high, his light guiding a lost rabbit, a frightened owl, and a timid hedgehog to safety under a big oak tree. That night, Freddie realized his light was not for boasting but for helping others. From then on, he became a humble guide in the dark. Moral: true worth lies in how you use your gifts to help others. Thank you for watching.